Hello everyone. In part 3rd, chapter 4a, provision of hazardous process, section 41a to 41h. 41a, Site Appraisal Committee. Before starting a hazardous factory, a special committee checked if the location is safe. In 41b, disclosure of information. The factory owner must share all information details about dangerous process with workers and authorities. In 41c, responsibility of occupier. The owner is fully responsible for safety in hazardous work and must take proper precaution. In 41d, inquiry committee. The central government can form a committee to investigate serious accident or risk. In 41e, emergency standard. If there are no fixed safety rules, the government can quickly set temporary safety standards. 41f, permissible limits on chemicals. There are limits on how much harmful chemicals workers can be exposed to. 41g, workers' participation in safety. Workers should be involved in safety decision and awareness. In 41h, right to warn about dangers. Workers have the right to report any serious or immediate danger without fear. This chapter focuses on handling dangerous process safely by ensuring strict rules, workers' involvement, and quick action in emergency. Follow my channel and like my video. See you in part 4. Thank you.